Number one, work comes before play. I'm still learning all of the things that it takes to run a successful business.
I've never been a gym owner.
I'm moving with ease. Took time, let the weight increase. I can't be naive. What's for me gon' come, I believe.
Hey bestie, welcome to my channel. My name is Leslie. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button down below. It means so much to me. Me and girls, subscribe to my channel if you're not new. Hey bestie, welcome back. Welcome back to a new video. Happy Tuesday, Baddie. So today is a rainy Tuesday morning and it is the last week before summer break. Really excited about that for Malachi. So today is about winning my day. It's so easy for me to show up for the people that depend on me, and when it comes to me, I noticed my own routine has kind of like been up in the air.
I need structure.
One thing I do is pick out an outfit as soon as I know that I have things I need to do, because that's one less thing. I'm just gonna be wearing a really simple little outfit, black and white, okay? And I actually really love these tank tops from Dick's Sporting Goods. I highly suggest these tank tops. I absolutely love them so much. They're just like a little crop tank, but they have a built-in bra and it has like a shelf. It holds you together and I really like it a lot. They're super comfortable and affordable. I think it was like $30. The only thing is I can't ever find the link online. For some reason, I cannot find them online, but they had them at my store and I low-key want to go back and buy some more because I love these so freaking much. I'm giving myself like a little slick back situation, and I love using this, the L'Oreal Slick Back Cream. I love it. I use it every single day. I even use it on my son's hair. It's a slick back cream, but I use it as a leave-in. As you can see, I always lay down my little baby hairs because I feel like it always makes it look more feminine and cute and Latina, okay? And to do that, I always just use my brow gel. The L'Oreal brow gel. I have an extra one just for my baby hair. Slick back is perfect for a rainy day. And then I'm gonna go in with my favorite hairspray. First, let's drink some water. But anyways, now it's time to do my skincare. And to start my skincare, I always like to start with some squalene oil just because my skin is on the dry side and I need that moisture, girl. And I like to go in with the Thirst Glow Drop, and I feel like they give me like a quenched feeling, like water on my face without it being oily or greasy. And I feel like it does have like a little glow. You can already see it. I've been adding to my skin is this L'Oreal Serum Le Duo. It is so nice. The packaging is really cute, and this is like their age defying line. They sent it to me in a PR box. I've been using it. So it has two. It has a hydrating and an illuminating serum. So it comes out like this. It has like a sparkle to it. So I've really been liking how my skin feels with it. I feel like it is really hydrating. It illuminates my skin. So I've been using it under my makeup. Always use the e.l.f. Whoa Glow every single day. Every single day, this is my go-to. I have really been enjoying the Maybelline Superstay Skin Tint. It is so freaking good. The coverage is amazing. It blurs out the skin like if you have a filter on, and it's so lightweight. Like you do not feel it at all. My only complaint, girl, is that it oxidizes. If I add this on and then apply foundation or then apply skin tint, I feel like I lose that glow. So mixing it in is super important.
You have to mix it in together.
Then I get my little drops, and you don't need a lot. I need coverage. That's where I focus. For me, it's here on my cheeks, just because I feel like I have like redness and like discoloration. Rub it in. Okay. Rub it all the way down my neck. I just like how it instantly gives me like a glow. It looks so pretty and glowy and nice. Let's hydrate. I got this new cup for summer. Isn't she so cute? It's from the brand Hydro Jug, and it's like neons but almost like pastel. Like it's so pretty. And then this is the perfect hot pink. Like I love it so much. I feel like that's perfect for summer because usually I always get pink cups, but I feel like that's pink, but it has like fun colors, you know? So I was like, I'm gonna get that. And I'm going in with this concealer. And then I was telling you girls about this brow gel, the Maybelline brow gels, the super slick. So let's talk about it, okay? Because I've been using it.
But girl, it didn't last me nothing.
Where's the product? Like, that's the only thing where I was like,
did something happen to the product?
there's really nothing in there.
Might be scraping now.
But I do like it. I feel like it has really good hold. Alright girl, I'm ready. Makeup.
Snatch.
For those days where I always need a little extra more, I do my full makeup.
Not my lazy everyday mom makeup.
And I feel my best. I'm already dressed. I'm gonna put on some perfume. Show you girls my full outfit, and then we're gonna bounce to get in our workouts. Super cute. My routine looks different and I cannot lose myself in it. I'm still learning how to run a business.
I've never been a gym owner. I've never been a coach before.
Now I'm coaching, also instructing spin classes that the old routine used to have last year, like 6 days a week I was hitting the gym and I was so locked in.
But now,
That routine is not working anymore. I'm tired of beating myself up because I can't show up the same way I used to last year. I'm writing Mondays, Wednesdays, Thursdays, Fridays, Saturdays. So your girl's getting in her cardio. I'm trying to add in active recovery days, but also things that I'm still challenging myself with strength, and I feel like soft Baddie Strength is perfect for that for me. So that's what we're gonna do today at the gym, and then we're gonna set up for Pink Wednesday, which is leg day at my gym. Number one, for me, work comes before play. So in order for me to feel good and relaxed in my workout, I need to first show up for girl boss version of me and get stuff done. So first things first, we're gonna clean and set up the gym. All right, girl, we just got to the gym. Oh, it's so dark in here, I cannot see. Perfect. Here. I can turn on all my lights and everything because I love to enjoy my gym for myself. So let me do that. Let me turn on all the lights. My hubby put an app on my phone. I don't know how he connected the lights to this app, and they turn on just by me hitting it. Let me show you. Like the one behind me. I just turned it on. Wow, isn't that so cool? I love how it does that. And now I'm gonna turn on that one by the Smith machine. I love that. I love this thing so freaking much. I'm planning my day for tomorrow so it can run smoothly. It starts by planning today. Okay, so it's like, even though I'm off, I'm technically not. Okay, we're gonna create the leg day, write it on the board.
Explain something.
Setting up Pink Wednesday leg day, girl, it's gonna be so good. It's gonna be so freaking good. And you know what I love about Pink Wednesday? That the magic of Pink Wednesday has carried on to Thursdays.
Yeah. Damn, she bad. She the baddest in the room. Big bags when you see her coming through. Model body with a face that make you zoom. Yeah, she bad, that bitch bad. Yeah, she bad, that bitch bad. Yeah, she bad, That bitch bad, yeah. Yeah, she bad. That bitch bad, yeah. Yeah, she bad. Yeah, she bad. I got him riding in my whip, we on a date. Can't no bitch check me cause I'ma put her in her place. Baddie with a fatty, got him looking like what waist. Every time I turn around, it be like damn, it's giving face. Yeah, she bad, yeah, I fuck with her persona. Picture perfect, her name Lisa, fuck the Mona. Bitches wanna be her, so they out here tryna clone her. Yeah, all these bitches bad, but they ain't got nothing on her. Damn, she bad, yeah, she thick. Picture perfect, they gon' have to wife her quick. Have them planning out a life with house and kids. Make a nigga spend that cash, them dividends. Damn, she bad.
Happy Thursday. So I'm currently in my gym setting up for tonight's class. I'm so hyped for my Thursday class. Actually just did right now. I set up all of our stations. I was also like sweeping the floor, just like getting things together for tonight's class at 6 and just organizing the playlist, girl. Like I'm literally sitting here with my stuff. But another important detail is tomorrow, Friday, is the last day of my challenge at the Baddie Lab. And it's time to make a gift for my girls because I love pouring into them and getting them something special. I want to do that for my girls, and I literally have found like the cutest thing. Some little oranges. Eating fruit right after the ride just makes you feel so good. It gives you that natural sugar, hydration, carbs, and I feel like you immediately get that recovery that we need. So I always like having those. I want to get like a cute little bowl, like a little clear bowl to put up. Also gonna eat a little Rice Krispie. Oh, I need to restock on these. I'm almost out. I like the little mini ones because I like the portion control of it. This is my pre-workout snack.
Always talking, I'm like, yeah, let them chat. I've been getting money, you know I can live with that. Legend in my city, winning, showed it on the map. And if I leave this tomorrow, they gon' quote it as a fact. I'm like, who that could stop me? Carbon copies on my timeline. Get up out your ego, learn to think with your divine mind. Main role in my movie, get that boot if you ain't acting right.
Girls, so I just got to JCPenney. I'm gonna go shopping now. Hopefully I find something for Malachi. I really want to find him like a nice button-up shirt and also like some nice little shoes, and hopefully I can find a nice top to wear with jeans and heels or something. Shopping. Yay. Girl, shopping is done. I'm so hungry now, but I think I'm gonna go to Smoothie King because they have a new
pickle slushy smoothie situation.
and I want to try that. Okay, I want to try that. And also they have like avocado toast and stuff like that, so I feel like that could be a good little snack to hold me over. I found some cute stuff. I feel like I'm in this awkward stage in between clothing. Like I'm not shopping juniors, but then I'm not shopping viejita, and I feel like there's something in the middle and it's so hard to find. Alright girl, I got the pickle smoothie, okay, and then I also got an avocado toast.
Oh, and I love pickles!
So I was dying to try this. They told me that it has a secret ingredient. Girl, I don't know. They're like, some people love it, some people hate it. And I make something like this for me and Malachi at home like all the time. So we love pickle slushy. So let's see. Oh my god. so refreshing and hydrating, and it tastes like a pickle, but it also has like a sweet, light banana taste. 10 out of 10. 10 out of 10. That's so good. I love it. Okay, I'm gonna eat my snack and hold on. It's so good. Oh my god, that's so good. I'm so sore. My arms and my back and my booty, everything is so sore already for my workout. Your girl needed this little pick-me-up after my workout. I was so hungry. And after shopping and everything, I still gotta show you what I picked up at JCPenney. Okay, bestie, we are back home. I'm so tired. What I got at JCPenney, just to show you real quick. Got this basic because I really love me a white top. Okay, I love me a crisp white top. And sometimes like I want to wear like a white shirt with jeans and some sparkly sandals or some wedges or something, you know? But I don't want to necessarily wear like a crew neck or like a v-neck, you know what I mean? And they had this top and it was so comfortable, girl. Like the material is super comfy. I love this detail here that it has, and this is the brand Anna, which I really like this brand from JCPenney, by the way. Now that I think about it, I'm like, every single time I shop at JCPenney, I always reach for this brand. Like they have like really cute things, and they had a sale on going on for like Memorial Weekend.
So
Shirt that I really wanted, that I had already been eyeing, was this top. Last time I went to JCPenney, I had seen it with my mom and I was like, you know what, I really like it. I just love the colors of it. So pretty and flowy, and I like how it ties around my neck. I feel like this would look so cute. I could totally dress up this like blouse, and that's what I need in my wardrobe, is some pretty blouses. So I was like, yes, I'm bringing this. Other thing that I got were these shorts from the same brand Anna. Okay, there are the highest rise denim short, and I bought these because they were super comfortable. Like I'm talking about, like these are gonna be like my throw on shorts. Like that they're not super pegados and like super form fitting. I feel like as a mom, like you need mom jeans that are like comfy but they still make your booty look good. I feel like these are that. Like it give you room to breathe.
They like hold things in.
Got my son this shirt for his graduation. I thought it was so cute, like this little dressy shirt. I love it. I've been wanting like a t-shirt bra, so I went with this one. So I'm gonna try it on and see if I like how it fits. But that is everything that I got today at JCPenney. Thank you for spending the day with me, girl, spending my day off with me, and then just trying to find my own routine. I'm a whole different version of myself now, even when it comes down to my training. Like the girl I was last year, like I'm training so differently. I'm showing up so differently on my platforms. My life like requires different things of me on the daily now, and I feel like I'm in this new phase of like figuring out what routine works out for myself, what routine makes me feel my best. I hope that you girls enjoyed hanging out with me. If you did, don't forget to give me a thumbs up, and I'll see you girls next time. Bye.